Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to fix it when you're not getting an internet connection on TikTok. So the very first thing that you want to check is you want to swipe down from the bottom of your screen and go to your control panel, because this could be an internet issue. Maybe you're not on a strong enough Wi-Fi signal or mobile data. So what I recommend that you do firstly, before we move on to the next step, is to switch off your Wi-Fi and then go on to mobile data. And if you're on mobile data, switch off mobile data and then go on to Wi-Fi. Okay. And then the second thing that you want to do is the TikTok servers could actually just be down right now. So you want to go to Google, and then in Google you want to type TikTok down, and then there's a website called Down Detector, TikTok down. You want to go to Down Detector to check the status of the TikTok servers, because if they are down right now, then nobody across the whole world will be able to log into TikTok and get an internet connection. So that may be the reason why you're seeing the no internet connection error. So it says users reports show possible problems with TikTok. So if you do see something like this, okay, you just want to scroll down, and there you'll see the graph of TikTok. So you can see all the problems, and when you see those large spikes like you see right there, that means that there is an outage on TikTok. And then you just need to wait for them to fix the problem, because these problems usually get sorted out automatically by the TikTok themselves. They fix the problem on their servers. But if you go to Down Detector and you notice that there isn't a outage, there could be a bug within your app. So what you want to do is go into your settings of your phone, and then on your settings you want to scroll down and you want to go and find apps. Once you find apps, you can quickly search for TikTok and then click onto TikTok. Then you want to scroll down to storage, click on storage, and then you want to clear your cache, because that can just get rid of any errors within the app. And you also might want to restart your device. Okay, so if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.